Welcome back to Galactic Secrets. Dear friends, the universe has truly been arranged in a miraculous way for life to exist on Earth. Have you ever wondered, why are the Sun, Earth, and Moon in such a perfect position for life to be formed and developed? Perhaps, no one knows exactly why. We only know that when we were born, the Sun was already there. The Sun rises every day, the Moon appears every night, and the cycle just continues. But on a terrible day about 4.5 to 5 billion years from now, that order will change. The Sun will go out. It will be no more. So what will happen? Will life on Earth still exist? Let's find out together in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you won't miss any fascinating cosmic stories. Let's explore and learn carefully. The Sun is a star at the center of the solar system. It's a giant plasma sphere ignited by nuclear fusion reactions in its core. It fuses around 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second, which means each second it converts about 4 million tons of matter into energy. This energy takes between 10,000 to 170,000 years to escape from the core, and when it does, it provides heat and light radiating throughout the solar system. And this is also the most important energy source for life on Earth. As the energy reaches the outer layer of the Sun, it creates a very hot heat source. The average surface temperature is estimated at about 5,500 degrees Celsius. But a paradox occurs on the Sun. In the outer region of the shell, there are solar crowns known as the corona. This is a glowing halo surrounding the Sun. It can extend millions of kilometers into the surrounding space, and can be observed from Earth during a total solar eclipse. When scientists use spectroscopy, it reveals a temperature of up to 1 million degrees Celsius, much hotter than the surface of the Sun. Many scientific studies have attempted to explain this phenomenon, but everything still remains at the level of theories, and it is still one of the most mysterious regions of the Sun. As we know, the Sun has a radius of about 700,000 kilometers, 109 times that of Earth, and accounts for 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. It can be said that the planets are just tiny dust particles orbiting a flaming master. When entering the final stage, the Sun will expand, becoming a red giant. Many hypotheses have been proposed to determine the fate of the solar system during this stage, but it remains a highly debated topic. Many theories suggest that as the Sun expands, its outer layers will extend and engulf most of the inner planets. The first to be swallowed will undoubtedly be Mercury, a planet currently about 57.9 million kilometers from the Sun. And of course, by then, Mercury will be erased from the list of planets in the solar system. After that, the Sun's outer shell will continue to expand. In a short time, Venus will also suffer a similar tragic fate. Even if it escapes the Sun's expansion, it still cannot avoid being scorched, dehydrated, and becoming barren and lifeless. Outer planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune will also be strongly affected by the radiation. The icy belts surrounding these planets will evaporate completely. When the Sun begins to heat up and expand, as its outer layers approach Earth, our planet will disintegrate in less than a day. All rocks, fossils, and remains of living creatures here will be consumed by the expanding fireball. It will erase every trace of life. Earth will also be engulfed, just like Mercury or Venus. However, some scientists believe we may still have a chance to survive. Some theoretical scientists suggest that during the Sun's expansion, Earth may be pushed out of its current orbit and survive. But it definitely won't be healthy, because at that time, the Sun's powerful radiation will burn away the atmosphere, and then all water and surface soil will evaporate. In the end, Earth will be nothing but a molten rock. Finally, the Sun will shed its outer layers, forming a planetary nebula, and its core will shrink into a white dwarf. Initially, the white dwarf has a temperature of up to 100,000 degrees Celsius. Even though it retains only 50% of the Sun's current mass, its gravity is strong enough to tear apart any nearby planets. However, over time, the white dwarf will gradually cool and lose its light. It may take trillions of years to become a black dwarf, a cold remnant of a dead sun. The end of the Sun is inevitable, but also the beginning of a new cosmic cycle. The solar system will end, but the Sun will be reborn in the form of a white dwarf, continuing its journey, silently and persistently. These are just theories proposed by scientists. They may be right or wrong, but either way, they show us something. Today's story is only theoretical, based on current scientific research, but it gives us a profound insight into the future of the solar system and into humanity's tiny place in the vast universe. If you find this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to Galactic Secrets so you don't miss the next videos. Click the video on the left or right to continue the journey of cosmic discovery. Goodbye and see you again.